Cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hello everyone, Dominique here with another video, and welcome back to my channel. And those who are new, don't forget to subscribe and welcome, and make sure you click the bell to be notified every time I upload, which is every single Monday. So let's get into it. So today's video I will be using the palette a palette by Huda Beauty. I've used this palette before, but today I will be creating another look using it, and it's the Warm Brown Obsessions palette. This baby right here, and with these colors only. See what I can work with these colors, see what I can come up with, you know. So let's jump right into the video, and thank you so much for supporting me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching. Looks like I have a black eye. We're gonna take this purple shade and put on an outer V, and you know, bring it down here. And the brush that I am using is by AOA Studios, which is shopmissa.com, and I'm using their I'm using the E136 brush, eyeshadow brush. I'm packing this color on. Huda Beauty's little palette is very pigmented. Very. But I'm just working with that purple. And I'm gonna blend it right like on the edge. Blend it out a little bit. Oh, it looks like I have a black eye. I hate smoky eyes, low-key. Let's just keep that a secret. Okay. Now we done worked with that purple. Next color. Next color is going to be this rusty pink right here. Kind of like a it's kind of rusty, like, you know. I'm gonna work with this one. It's not really paying off, but I'm gonna use that pink, and I'm going to cut a crease. I'm gonna take my LA Pro Girl concealer and toffee and cut my crease. And I'm gonna stop that cut right there in the middle, and I'm gonna repeat the process on the other eye. Alrighty, that's that. And now I'm gonna take that rusty pink that I was talking about and pack that right on top of the concealed area. Which brush I'm going to use? I think I'm just going to use the E139 brush. I'm going to dust it over the brush. That's how it looks. Shake it off. And pack that right on top. Honestly, I did not expect this color to be that pigmented and pop. Ooh, that much. I'm looking at it, and I really didn't expect it to be that type of pink. I'm trying to, like, there we go. I really didn't expect that type of vibrancy at all. Now I'm going to meet that pink and purple right here and blend it in very nicely. Take this brush, have that purple, and make it blend. The brush that has the leftover pink, and just blend it out. Take over the purple. want to say Sienna so bad. I don't know. It seems like this name for this needs to be Sienna or something. But I'm gonna take that and like, you know, blend it out, blend that purple out with it, bring it up there. Same as the other side. Okay, that blended out how I wanted to. Then I'm going to take the very, very pretty gold that I sometimes use as a highlight in the middle, and I'm going to apply it under my brow bone for some brow highlight, some pop in action. Ooh, I might have grabbed too much because this is, ooh. I probably don't even tap back into the shadow. I could have probably tapped back into the shadow. Okay, I'm gonna blow off my brush that I had the sandy color and just kind of tone it down a little bit, blend it out, and let me do a full face. And fast forward, and I'll be right back. Some mascara on. It's by L'Oreal. I have my lips muted for a reason, so when I do apply the liner, my Cupid's bow can be very sharp. I have the liner on, and what I do with the liner, of course, I color in the edges and this is the finished look. On the lips, I just have Hot Cocoa by NYX, their lip liner, and I just said forget it and colored in my whole lip with a gloss that I got from Shop Miss A, and it looks purple. Hot Cocoa is usually I would think it would be brown, but it looks purple, right? I think it matched my eyes, so I said why not just do a lip liner with some gloss. And that's all it is. It's not a lipstick, it's just lip liner. And the highlight that I have is from the Huda Beauty palette. Is that Gold Bomb eyeshadow, and I use it as a highlight for the nose and the cheeks. You know, the setting spray I use is NYX Fini Matte, and this is the finished look, ladies and gents, using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. I feel very vampy, you know. Grr. Ooh, I am not gonna know what to name this look whatsoever. The title might just be Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions makeup look. It was very easy, just 2 colors. Very simple, very beginner-ish, you know. And that's all. I really do hope you. Ooh, my face is blended to the gods, y'all. It's blended to the gods. I'm getting very, very better, and I'm so proud of myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Once again, from the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. Very simple. And the lip is a lip liner. And you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell to be notified every time I do upload. And follow my social medias. My Instagram is OOMOD, which is Damo spelled backwards with 2 O's, and my Snapchat is Damo Kins, Kins together. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you all in my next video. Close up for you guys. Ciao.